logarithmic functions. So here's one of them, j of x. So as we can see, our vertical asymptote is y equals 0. It doesn't cross that line. So that means as our x approaches 0 from the right, as we look this way, what's our graph doing? Well, our y value, f of x or j of x for this instance, so we can say j of x goes to positive infinity, right? It just keeps going up. Our domain doesn't get bigger than y, right? So our domain is from 0 up to infinity, or from, you can say all x's such that x is greater than 0, right? End behavior and our range is all real numbers, right? So r with the bar through it are all real numbers. Okay, so that's that one. Now let's go ahead and do this one, g of x. And we can take what our example 6 and go ahead and graph it from there, so whichever way is best for you. So for me, to get to 10, I know I need to add 12 here. And so I know I have this point 12, which 10 anything would be 1, so I know I have a point 12, 1. Don't know what I'm counting here by, but 12, 1. So let's just say, let's count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Say 12, 1, I guess. Let's go ahead and go with that. Let's do by 2's. Okay, and then what makes that 0 is 2, so my y-intercept can't have 2 there because 2 minus 2 would be 0, so y-intercept would be 2. So 1, 2, or actually I'm counting by 2's here, so this would be a 2. Let's change the color. Okay, and then what about another point? Well, what gets that to 1? That'd be positive 3. So if I plug in 3, 10 raised to what is 10 raised to what is 1? That'd be 0. So I plug in 3, I get 0 out. So 3, 0. That's 2, that'd be 3, 0. So I have this point. Again, let me change the color there. So if something looks like this. Okay. Alright, so this one, my y-intercept would be y equals 2. So moved over 2, so move to the right 2. And then as x gets closer to this number, right, as 2 from the right, positive 2 from the right, my g of x's, those are my y values for this function, goes to negative infinity. And then my domain goes close to 2, everything greater than 2, right, I can say that. And then my range, again, is all real numbers because it keeps going down and keeps going up. So my range is the same, but it flipped, right? And that would probably because this is somehow negative, probably in front of here, right? And then it moved over 2 because of that. Remember, it's what makes this 0, so 2 minus 2 is 0. That's why I moved 2 to the right. Okay, and then it goes upwards. So those are kind of the differences. Asymptotes, end behavior, domain, and my range. So that's how you kind of compare them.